Okay, let's take a look at question number 48 from the May 2016 release version of the Algebra 1 STAAR test. So it says, a bag contains 18 coins consisting of quarters and dimes. The total value of the coins is $2.85. Which system of equations can be used to determine the number of quarters, Q, and the number of dimes, D, in the bag? Okay, so reading the first sentence, it's giving us our first equation. Okay, so a bag contains 18 coins consisting of dimes and quarters. Okay, so that first equation is going to be D plus Q equals 18. Or we could have wrote it as Q plus D equals 18. Okay, either way is correct. Okay, so let's that's our first equation. So we have two unknowns, the number of dimes and number of quarters that are inside the bag. So when you have two unknowns, we need two equations, at least two equations, to be able to solve for those two variables, those two unknown variables. Okay, so here's our first equation. And let's go ahead and look at the second sentence. Okay, so the total value of the coins in the bag is $2.85. So I'm going to put this on the right side. The 285 goes on the right side. Okay, and now let's look. And now we just want to add the monetary amount to each. So dime is worth 0.0. So 0.10 D, and then we have 0.25. Or 0, we put a 0 in the front, 0.25 Q. Okay? And let's go ahead and put a 0 here to be consistent. Alright, so now let's take a look at our answer choices. So, this first answer choice here is showing that they're relating 10 cents to quarters and then 25 cents to dimes. Okay, so we know that quarters should be related to the 0.25 and the dime should be related to the 0.10. So let's go ahead and cross out that answer choice. Okay, now let's look at the next choice, and then we have the same idea. They related 10 cents to the quarter and 25 cents to the dime. So let's go ahead and cross that one out. And now we have answer choice H. We have 0.25 related with a quarter and 0.10 with a dime. So that one's correct until you get to here. And you see yeah, this is correct. Okay, so they related the dollar amount of each denomination of the coins to the $2.85. Okay, this is correct. And also we have Q plus D. We have D plus Q, but Q plus D is the same. Okay. Equals 18. Okay, so it looks like this answer choice matches what we have. And let's look at this last one. So they related the 25 cents, 0.25 to the quarters correctly, 0.10 to the dime, but here they have 18. This should be the 285 here, not the 18. Okay, so we can rule out answer choice J, so our answer choice should be answer H. Okay, so even though we wrote it as D plus Q, it will give us the same number if we have it as Q plus D as they do on answer choice H. Okay, so answer choice H is the right one.